Hello.
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 Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, yeah. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good, thank you.
Yeah.
Tell me something about yourself.
Yeah. Myself, and I'm basically from and
Mm-hmm.
from 7 years I'm staying in Bangalore, and totally I have 7 years of experience. And
Mm-hmm.
starting I was working in like non-IT background, and after that recent 4 years I'm working as a database developer.
Okay.
So now I'm working in services
Hmm.
on the Postgres server.
Okay. So, what is your primary responsibility there?
It is like it's related to reinsurance company. So we
Mm-hmm.
will be working behalf of the other automobile insurance. So we are working on that. So for me, it is like I am handling one user defined function. It's related to policy prices,
Mm-hmm.
and also apart from that monthly I'll be receiving some new reinsurance buyers list, so
Mm-hmm.
I'll be adding monthly wise.
Okay. So, it's a
So
hybrid or the work from office?
hybrid.
Hybrid.
Yeah.
So, we are looking at a guy for the office only. So, is it okay for you?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So, apart from the function, are you doing any other activity?
So starting I was doing like modifications in the tables, that and all, but
Mm-hmm.
as I joined like experienced person, so I didn't get opportunity to do work base level. So
Mm-hmm.
this is like a some 2000 lines of function, so
Mm-hmm.
that I am handling, that is my major work.
Okay.
Apart from that, as I said, right, inserting rows and retrieving some data, so
Mm-hmm.
these kind of things I'm doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you give me some example that you have performed recently? Means what kind of task you have performed recently only? Give me some real world example.
Recent task, right?
Yeah.
So example in the sense, okay, if I take that reinsurance adding insertion thing,
Mm-hmm.
so the data I'll be receiving through Excel file. So
Okay.
once it is received, it will be through like Zira ticket will be receiving tasks. So
Mm-hmm.
once it is received, I'll be like taking care of that reinsurance, so no one is there, so only the person I have to handle. So I'll shift it to my task, and then um, I'll do some insert queries, like already tables are there related to reinsurance. So
Mm-hmm.
based on the things like there will be receiving some buyer related things.
Okay.
So which buyer is buying which insurance, what is the price, and what is the creation date, these things we will be receiving.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll create each table wise insert queries,
Okay.
like insert a table values and whatever the values we'll
Mm-hmm.
be adding. So
Mm-hmm.
that queries we will be creating. Once it is insert done, then again we have to recheck that, like a validation process. So if we
Mm-hmm.
are missing anything, like sometimes we'll be like we don't get same buyers, like a new buyer whatever the added in the system newly,
Mm-hmm.
that will be not in the actual table. So that
Mm-hmm.
time when I have inserted, the data
Mm-hmm.
will not match. That will be in the main data, but it is not in the table. So again we have to check with the client. So
Mm-hmm.
once they rechecked, and again if there is any issue they will be solving. Once it
Mm-hmm.
is coming to our tables, then again I have to do the insert process.
Mm-hmm.
And so likewise I have to do that insert thing, like I'm
Okay.
adding new things, like a new bias to the insurance.
Mm-hmm.
And also if I get any updates related to reinsurance, I have to handle. In the sense there will be some policies, right, in between they will be adding some other policy, new policy.
Mm.
So again I have to change it in a function.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, do we have any tool or such something query that we have to upload the data? Means whenever the request is coming to upload the data, are you writing the query every time, or you have just one query with you and just performing that query only?
No. So inserting process, it is like a monthly wise same we are getting. So we'll be creating one query, but
So query, I think if the format is same only every month, then you can keep one query with you only. You
yes.
can execute the same query every month, right? Are you doing like this only, or writing the query again and again every time?
That is like a normal, it is a default, right? So we will be
Mhm.
doing same thing. But apart
Okay.
from that, if we are retrieving data, so select
Um,
and ct version queries we
um,
have to
um,
write based on the requirement. But insert queries and all, it is as usual for every month, it is like a same thing we are doing.
um.
Yeah.
So can you give us some idea about what type of the data requirement is coming to you? Means you told that you are writing some query for the extract data, right? So
Mm-hmm.
what kind of data requirement is coming to you?
So data requirement in the sense, for example, in the same thing, so
Um,
once it is done the process of insert the rows, so we have to show the every row with the same like a same data with the same values, right? So that thing I have to retrieve. So
okay.
yeah, that time I have to like I need to mention everything like a new data whichever I have inserted with a modified date and creation date, everything I have to validate, and I need to provide like a same excel file again to the client, so they will be validate after after my work done.
Mm-hmm.
So if anything like if I write a wrong query again, the data will be wrong, right? So
Correct.
yeah.
Okay. What is the difference between the cluster index and non-cluster index?
Cluster and non-cluster. Cluster
Mm,
index is it is a default index. So
mm,
if we create a primary key on a particular column, for
mm.
example in the id column, as usual we will create a primary key, right? So it is like a by default cluster index will be created. So it
Okay.
will be ordering the things like values based on the column wise.
Okay.
And
So,
yeah,
yeah.
even for the performance also, if we are doing the clusters indexes, if we are introducing in the table, the performance also will be good, like search retrieving the data will be fast.
Okay. Can we have multiple columns in the cluster index?
Sorry, multiple columns.
Yeah. Can we have the multiple columns in the cluster index?
Yes, we can.
What about the null value?
um, null value, null values, yes, it can be included.
Okay.
Yeah.
Having a multiple non-cluster indexes over a table, it is good to have or not?
Non-clustered indexes.
No. Having a multiple non-cluster indexes over a table, it is good to have or not?
So non-clustered indexes, normally if we are doing more indexes, it will get performance issue while we'll doing insert, update, and delete things.
Mm.
But normally for the select statement, it will be good. Only for DML things, if we are doing, then it will be like we'll be getting some slower, like execution time that will be getting
Mm.
slower.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
Can you explain me the steps to for performance tuning? For example, say one query is taking more time to execute. So what steps you took to increase the performance?
Okay. So if any query is taking too much time to execute, So first thing in the Postgres, there is a command like explain. So if we run that explain, we will be get to know like a step by step how the query is running, like which indexes is included in the execution, what part which joins, and these detailed things we can get. So based on that, we can analyze the code. So after that, we can identify where the problem is occurring, which part is taking too much time, and which is taking like a more cost, and all that we can analyze from that part. And then there are some techniques, like we can give some strategical indexes to the columns which we are taking continuously, like which we are retrieving. And also if like in large scale of industries, there will be like a bulk tables, right? So instead of calling all rows, columns, we can take like a required columns. In the sense, so instead of taking select star from, we can go to the column wise in the script. And also we can give data types, whichever it is like a required data types, instead of giving which is taking more storage. And also joins, sometimes we'll be joining too many tables. So joinings, we can rewrite the code again.
Fine, understood.
Yeah.
Not an issue.
I have some technical questions. So if you can share skill with me, so I'll give you one scenario.
Okay.
So you can write the question on your screen.
Okay, just a second.
Mhm. I have sent in the chat section.
Okay.
So now I want to extract all the orders for the month of October 25.
October 25.
Yeah.
Transaction date time, order ID, customer ID, sales amount. Twenty 25. Yeah, I sent.
But I have required data for October month only.
Okay,
So
only
this is.
October month. Okay.
Mhm.
Sorry. Between 2025 So received from sales where transaction date time between 2025 10/1 and 2025 10/1. Yeah.
Is it done?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Next question also sent in the chat section.
Okay. Write query to fetch unique customer ID who has placed order more than 5 times in October 2025. Okay. From sales. Time. Yes, I sent.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more question was also placed.
Yeah.
Now I have added the one more condition. The 5 time condition will remain same only. Now we have to check or the total order value is more than 50,000 rupees.
Okay. Write a query to fetch unique customer ID who has placed order more than 5 times. Okay. Till October or having total order value more than 50,000. Okay. Order value more than 50,000.
50,000 in the lifetime. In the lifetime, right?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Mhm. Any of the month, some of all the month,
Okay.
whatever the 50 more than 50K.
Okay. Or having Sales amount. Yes, sales amount more than 50%. Yeah, I sent it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm done. Supriya, do you want to ask me anything?
Yeah, I don't have anything. I think
So
it's
thank you so much for giving time, Supriya. So I'll share your feedback with my staff team. You can connect with them to get your feedback.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye.